See that tail light? We're taking it out. On. We're going to start with that. You ready for this? Oh. Look, 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 look. I don't think I need any more tools. This is great. You ready? Pull, pull, pull. Look. No tools required. Hung up right there. See him? He doesn't want to give. I'm going to get him. There you go. And ta-da. Then, let's get these out and see if that's all we need by starting with this. Let's get this out of the way. Let's get these 10 mils out of the way and see that's all we need. Yes, sir. So 3 10 mils. Uno, dos, delata. And this guy pops out. So what I did was put it back and I'll show you. So this puppy right here, see it? So it snaps in. I put both thumbs right here. You can probably do it with one. Nice and firm. And pull upward. And get this guy out. So let's see if I can do it with one hand. No, 2 it is. Yep, 2 it is. And it pops right out. See? Let's put it back. So, like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.